Good morning, colleagues. Today I want to talk to you about Preview. Preview is a piece of software for viewing and editing PDF documents and other picture files. To check to see if you're using Preview, find a PDF file and you want to use a control click to see if you're using Preview or if you're using Adobe Reader. So you'll go to the Get Info, and then you want to check to make sure that you're opening the PDF with Preview. If you're not, you can change the preference to Preview. So for example, in this menu it might say Adobe Reader instead of Preview. So make sure you click Preview and then say Change All, and then you'll always open PDF documents with Preview. So here's an example of what Preview looks like. Right now it's just a normal PDF viewer. It's easy to print from. But what's really nice are the editing tools. For example, you can use a highlighter to indicate to students some important information on a PDF document. And that highlighting will be saved on the PDF. You can also rotate documents. If perhaps you scanned something and the scan was flipped, you can rotate it pretty easily. This writing tool is very, very useful. There are a bunch of different options for arrows and text boxes. If you wanted to point out certain things in a PDF to students, it's really easy to do with Preview. You can add some text. Maybe I'll change the font and change the size a little bit. Make it bigger, or change the color maybe. And then you can save it, and then students will see that as well. Just move that there. There we go. So that's editing PDF documents. You can also compile multiple PDF documents into one. And that might be helpful, for example, if you're sending off a PDF document to Moodle or if you're sending it to the Print Center. The first thing you want to do is make sure that you're viewing thumbnails as well as the content. And then find whatever other PDFs you wanted to join to the original document. Drag it over on top of the first document, make sure the plus symbol shows up, and then release the mouse. And now I have a 3-page PDF document. I can save that, I can add it to Moodle, I can send it to students in an email. So that's working with PDFs. And you can also use Preview to deal with picture files. For example, a JPG file or a PNG file, other picture files. Again, you can add text, you can add these word bubbles. I guess that's upside down. Let me flip that. So you can add you can add text to pictures, you can add arrows, you can add all those things that you've been adding to PDF files, you can add them to picture files as well. And it's easy to crop pictures as well. You can resize them by drawing a box around and then just tapping that crop tool. And then save that, and that picture is now edited for your use later on. So that's Preview. I hope you enjoy.